Your tool's motor uses two carbon brushes to conduct electricity to the armature. The brushes conduct electricity to the armature through its commutator. The carbon brush will wear down over time from rubbing against the rotating commutator and will need to be replaced. Warm brushes can cause excessive sparks around the commutator. The sparks can also be caused by a damaged armature, so you'll want to carefully inspect both if sparks are present. Replacing the carbon brushes is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear cover from the handle. The brushes are held in place by the tension springs. I'll use a pick to pull the tension spring back. I'll hold it out of the way and then remove the brush. I'll slide the new brush into the holder and place the tension spring back over the top. And I repeat this on the other side. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the rear half of the handle and securing it with the screws. And that's how easy it is to install new carbon brushes in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.